biggest headaches you can run into as a business owner would be if somebody else takes control of your business. And that's precisely what happens if you've created a business, especially if you have an LLC without an operating agreement, and something happens to you and you die. That business now has to pass through your local probate court. Your probate court's going to have to determine the value of the business and how it has to be distributed as part of your estate. Even if you have a will, maybe the will doesn't have the right provisions to divide up your business interests, and now you're stuck, or your family is stuck, dealing with the probate court to unwind your business and figure out what's going to happen. On the other side of the equation, if we have a trust that's owning your business and something happens to you, we have that trustee who can step in and continue to run the business, and the trust is going to say what we do with the income, what we do with the assets of the business, and then the trust will not have to have the business interest go through the probate court if you die. We can have that seamless transition to allow the business to keep going. Third benefit is privacy. So in addition to the probate court moving slowly, the other problem we have with probate court is that those records are public. So if your business goes through probate court, and let's say the judge wants to see your P&L statement, the judge wants to see all of the assets of the business, maybe the judge wants to see who your other business partners are, all of that would be contained in probate court filings, which are generally public. However, by default, all of those probate records are public, and I'm pretty sure if you've gone through the process of setting up a business, and especially if you have business partners, you don't want your business and your business's affairs to be put out there in probate court in public records.